Hey guys, today I'll show you how I make and apply cloves water for a healthier and fuller hair. Cloves helped me grow my 1-year-old daughter's hair from this to this in just 6 months. Many of you have been asking for this tutorial, so here you have it. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They protect the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents, which further help in hair thickening. Without further ado, here is how to prepare and apply cloves water. Right here, I have a cup of water in my pot. Next, I will add 2 spoonfuls of cloves. Then I'll cover the pot and boil with low heat for about 5 minutes. Now we'll turn off the heat and leave the cloves in the pot for about 12 hours. We want to extract as much nutrient as possible. Now, as you can see from the color, the cloves water looks a lot darker than when I first boiled it. This is my spray bottle right here. I'll go ahead and sieve the water from the pot into it. You can choose to use the cloves water alone. As for me, I will be mixing mine with several drops of this Hawaiian silky moisturizer. Then shake it thoroughly. Guys, our cloves water is ready. You can apply this to your hair every day or at least 3 times weekly. Here is how I applied cloves water on my daughter's hair. The hair is already shampooed and dried, so it's nice and clean. Now I'll begin to apply the cloves water section by section. Make sure to spray it lavishly so it reaches everywhere. I will comb and detangle gently from the tip down to the roots of her hair. You can see how easy it is to comb the hair. This will avoid breakage. After combing a section, I will always make sure to twist. This will prevent excessive dryness and tangling of the hair. You can see the length of her hair. Not too many 1-year-olds have this length. The next step is very important. Once I'm done twisting, I will start massaging her scalp to make sure it reaches all corners. This is the first batch of my home remedies for hair growth. Make sure to subscribe so that you won't miss the upcoming ones. Don't forget to drop a like. See ya!